video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper Blackpink notebook. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Blackpink notebook, and it's useful too. So many of you guys are great fans of Blackpink, and so I thought this craft idea will be a really cool one. So this has a really beautiful notebook cover, and if you open it, you have a normal notebook over here, and you can write anything you want. You can even use it to school to write your lecture notes or small note-keeping note, or you can use it to write what you did during the day, or you can use it as a small diary, or you can even gift it to your friends and family members, and also be a really cute gift idea as well. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So the first step is that I'm just going to be taking an A4 sheet. So I'm taking a full A4 sheet because I want the notebook to be nice and big. And so if you guys want to have it in a smaller size, you can use a half A4 sheet or anything you want. The first step is that I'm going to be folding this piece of paper in half like this. So please make the foldings perfectly, because if you mess up in this, then the size of the notebook will not be perfect and it will be uneven. So once you fold it in half, I'm just going to be folding it in half one more time like this. So once this is complete, I'm just going to be folding this notebook in half one more time like this on this side, and one more time over here on this side. So totally we'll be having 16 pages over here for this one, since I folded 4 in this side and 4 in this side. So if you guys want, you can use 2 or 3 more A4 sheets, and you can do it in a bigger size if you want. So now I'm just going to be opening this piece of paper like this, and now as you see, the pieces will be formed and you'll be having 16 parts like this. So now I'm just going to be cutting these parts out. So I'm just going to be folding it back in like this, and we're going to be cutting it over here in half. So now we'll be putting these two on top, and we're going to be cutting this part in half like this. So now we'll place all this together, and we're going to be cutting this part in half as well. So you can even cut it like separately, but that will take a long time. So I'm just going to be using these small tricks and cut it in half like this. So now I'm just going to be opening it, and you'll be having two pieces like this. So I'm just going to be keeping these pieces over here, and I'm going to be placing them like this. So now we're going to be cutting them and making them separately. So if you guys want, you can use these 2 pieces as it is, and you can stick it. If you want, you can even cut it. It's according to you about how you do it. So now I'm just going to be starting them. So we have 4, 5, and these pieces are 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have to cut some of the pieces, so they won't be perfect. So I'm just going to be cutting all of them perfectly like this. So since we did the cuts differently, some of them will be cut separately and some of them will be in 2s like this. So I'm just going to be keeping them over on top. So if you guys want, you can count it and check if it's perfect, because sometimes if you have 15 or 14, then some strips might not be cut properly. So for example, 2 pieces might be combined together, so just count and check if it's perfect. So now I'm just going to be lining them in a row like this over here. So now the pages of a notebook are ready. So we're just going to be keeping this aside over here. And next we're going to be moving on to making the front cover for the notebook. So for that, since it's Blackpink, I'm going to be using a pinkish shade of color. And I'm just going to be measuring about how much size it uses. Then we're going to be cutting that out. So before that, I'm just going to be stapling these pieces of paper together. So if you guys have a stapler, you can use that. Or if you do not have a stapler, you can even use tape and you can stick it. But if you use tape, it won't be a proper way. So if you have glue, you can just stick one by one piece of papers. But it's a better way to use a stapler, because it's a much easier and simple way to do. So I'm just going to be stapling this piece of paper at the top on one corner. So once that's complete, we're going to be stapling it in the opposite corner as well. So now I've completed the stapling on both the sides and the top. So as you see, it's perfect over here. So do not do it a little bit bottom. As you see, the staples are over here. So if you do it like in a little bottom way or something, the size of the notebook will be reduced. So make sure that it's on the top part. So now our page is over here. So if you see, some parts might be having some bottom excess parts. If you have those parts, you can cut it at the bottom like this. So now pages of a notebook are ready. So now let's move on to making the front cover. So for that, I'm taking a remaining small piece of pink color paper, and I'm just going to be measuring the size over here. So if you guys want, you can use a pencil and you can measure it. I'm just going to be using a scissor, and I'm going to be marking the points from the front to the back over here. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be cutting off this part gently like this to measure the correct size. You can measure it and you can cut it. So this is the correct size of the notebook. So I'm just going to be cutting this off. And now we're going to be sticking it onto the notebook. So I'm just going to be placing this over here. Now we're going to be taking it and we're going to be closing it over here like this. So if the size is uneven, you can just cut it at the corners. As you see, this part is kind of uneven. So I'm just going to be cutting it and trimming it at the edges over here like this. So now we're just going to be placing this piece on top over here. And we're going to be folding it back like this to cover it. So I'm just going to be placing it over here like this, and we're going to be keeping it. So now the front is completely ready. So I'm just going to be gluing this part over here. So we're just going to be taking a glue bottle and we're going to be applying some glue over here on this part, and we're going to be sticking it. And now we're going to be turning this to the opposite side, and we're going to be applying some glue on this front page of the white paper, and we're going to be sticking it like this. So now after we complete this, our notebook is ready. So next important part is decoration, and without decoration nothing will be turning out well. So before that, I'm just going to be doing a small hanging part. So as you see over here, I just made a small hanging part on the top so that you can hang this notebook anywhere you want. So for that, I'm just going to be cutting a small piece of paper again like this, and we're going to be taking it over here. Now we're just going to be folding this piece into like this smaller piece over here, and we're going to be gluing that. So I'm just going to be applying some glue at the bottom part of this paper, and I'm going to be rotating it, and I'm going to be applying some glue and sticking it over here. Now I'm going to be applying some glue at the back part like this, and we're going to be sticking it at the back part of our notebook over here. So now as you turn it, our notebook will be ready. So I'm just going to be applying some force and giving this in case it might fall. So if you guys want more security, you can even use cardboard to stick this in the top part over here. So now I will move on to the important part of making the notebook, which is decoration. So for the Blackpink, first I'm just going to be drawing a big heart with a marker. So if you guys want, you can draw it with pencil and you can do it outline as well. But I'm just going to be doing this because I'm good at drawing hearts. So now our beautiful heart is ready. And I'm just going to be drawing a small line over here, and I'm going to be coloring the left part of the heart with a black marker like this. So I'm using a bold marker to give a better effect. If you guys want, you can use a normal marker. So once we complete this, I'm going to be taking a dark pink, a different shade from the pink. So since this is also pink, I'm taking a different shade. And I'm also going to be coloring that part in on the top as well, over here. So once we complete this, our heart is ready. And now we're going to be writing Blackpink, which is the most important part. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a black and permanent marker. And I'm going to be writing B over here. And L. And for A, I'm going to be drawing like this, and we're going to be writing C and K. I'm also going to be writing pink over here. So wait a minute until I complete this. So if you guys want to make it for different groups, so that you can make it for BTS or anything that you want, and you're supposed to repeat the same steps, but instead of the color as pink, you can use a different color such as blue, and you can just draw the BTS symbol over here and write BTS at the bottom. It's according to you about how you do it. I'm just taking Blackpink since it's famous. If you guys want, you can use different things that you prefer. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be writing the members of Blackpink over here. So I'm just going to be writing 1, 2, 3 and 4 over here, and you guys can do it in any pattern you like. So 1 is complete, so I will Lisa over here, and Jisoo on this part, and Rosé on this top part over here, and at last Jennie can go over here. So I'm just going to be making it simply. So if you guys want, you can do more decorations and decorate it in any way you like. So after you complete that, I'm just going to be taking another shade of pink, and I'm going to be drawing a small heart over here, and one more small heart at the bottom over here like this. And I'm going to be taking this marker again, and I'm going to be giving an outline to the heart to give a perfect output. So after we complete this, our really easy paper Blackpink notebook is ready. So you guys can do more decorations to it. So as you see at the back, I just wrote my name with a small heart. So I'm just going to be putting it on the back part as well. So I'm just going to be writing my name over here. So if you guys want, you can write your name in case it gets lost. You can, I don't want to miss out your best craft. So I'm just going to be doing that, and I just wrote my name, a heart and a cute smiley. You can do more decorations to it since it's your own notebook. You can decorate it in any way you like, and you can add more things to it. So after we complete this, our really easy paper Blackpink notebook is ready. So you guys can decorate it and you can do it using your own creativity, and you can hang it and you can use it to write your important facts. Or if you want, you can even use like a pen or something and you can stick it at the back part. You can just hang it over here like this, so that you can use it as a notepad and you can do it any way you want. So if you want to do it in this the notebook direction, you can even use this tab and you can stick it in this way. You can open it like this instead of opening it as a journal. So after we complete this, our really easy paper Blackpink notebook is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So I'd like to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and if you have any doubts in my videos, you can comment that, and if you have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can comment that in the comment box below as well. I'll see to your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!